Phobia, one more whole central, a year from Montemo, so one my crowd pa seed program noa. SSNIT for introducing on the one who beshim Adom TV etwaso.
Ejadifu a wonum ewo ho central ene yamani boni odehye ba wusu job enkomo twetwe mu no ena wonum ekire mu se wonum ate SSNIT nka ene emfaso a manfo odi won edi dwuma no enye firi won honom ne senti seed dwumadi a SSNIT edi aba se beboa wonum wankasa woyen won adwuma no wogidie ene arehye se wode won hodom a wonum nso ebenya mfasodie afiri mu.
Yes. Before my daddy is working there. My daddy too is a he works there. He works there, so he's a SSNIT worker. So he's benefiting from the SSNIT. I told you my daddy works there. So he's now a pensioner at SSNIT.
Afoforo bi nso a wonum ene amane boni twetwe nkomo no ekire mu se san se wonum ennim SSNIT enhyehye ye nti ena wontumi fa won ho enhyemu.
I'm a contributor, but for some years now I have stopped contributing because I was working with a construction company in Accra who was from USA, BL Habits. But as the construction, that time they were constructing the American embassy at cantonments. So they have been contributing for us. But since the construction was over and I left, so since then I've not contributed again. But as for contributing SSNIT, when you are contributing, you are doing it for future reference. So either when you've gone on pension from your work, which you don't have strength to do again. That is where you benefit from.
Yes, I heard about SSNIT, but I'm not on SSNIT. Come again.
Why?
Because by then my business wasn't all that strong, so I didn't take it serious. But now I've heard of it.
But have you
according to sources, they came to our church to explain to us that you can start contribution at the age of 15 years. But if you are above 40, you can't be on SSNIT. So I think I'm over 40, that's why I'm not on it.